Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me a screenshot and they've lost their outline color field tool, outline tool. It's gone. And this is the way it needs to be. And this is also stacked up and this is not default. So I took mine away just to prove a point how to get it back. I know for a fact that if you close down Corel, held down the F8 key while you're loading it again, it'll bring it back. But that's also going to change with your nudge distance, your duplicate distance, your size of your screen, your rulers, and everything you pick. So there's a way to do it without. So we're going to right click on here and go to customization, status bar, and reset to default. And look at that. Now there's your color. Now he's got them stacked up, and I like it because I've done a lot of videos. This is your left mouse button. This is your right mouse button for colors. But if he likes it stacked up, you could right click on it, customization, status bar, size, 2 lines, and now you've got them stacked up on top of each other. That's not a bad thing. I just don't like it like that because it helps you remember which is what. So let's go back and put it back. Now you can right click on it and go to customization and status bar, and you could put it on the top of your screen if you like that preferred than that. If you're up here working, you don't want to have to look down here, because this is pretty cool. If you draw a rectangle, there's your status bar right there. You know, there's your rectangle. So everything's up top now. Let's delete this picture so it looks more like a Corel screen. You know, if you got it up here, all your tools are up here. It maybe not, you know, I'm not going to change it because I'm so used to looking down there. So customization, status bar, position, bottom, I want it down here. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.